My name is Joseph Lessard. This podcast is for Section 1, August 2010. My instructor is Javier Rivera. I'm doing my podcast on the transfer of electrons between objects. The purpose is to understand how electron transfer causes your hair to stand on end when they are rubbed together. Individual materials have varying amounts of attraction for electrons. When two objects are rubbed against each other and one object has a higher attraction for electrons than the other, electrons are then transferred. In the case of your hair and a balloon, the material of your hair has more of an attraction for electrons than the material of a balloon. Since your hair gains electrons in the transfer, your hair becomes positively charged, and likewise the balloon will become negatively charged. So I got my balloon here. Since your hair and the balloon now have opposite charges, and we learned that opposite charges attract, the balloon should now stick to my head, which it does. Now if I remove the balloon from my head, you can see my hairs are pushing away from each other. This is because my hairs have become negatively charged during the transfer, and as we learned, like charges will repel each other. So now, you'll notice that when I place this balloon next to the wall, it will also stick to the wall. Like that. Physics can help us explain this also. Remember, the balloon is negatively charged, so the negative electrons in the wall are repelled, while the positive electrons in the wall material are pulled closer, which causes the balloon to stick to the wall. Now, since it's pretty humid right now, the balloon is losing electrons to the moisture, but on a very dry day, this balloon would stick for hours. So to recap, your hair material has more of an attraction for electrons than the material of a balloon, causing your hair to become positively charged and the balloon to become negatively charged. Like charges repel, and opposites attract. In making this video, I referenced our slides from class and regentsprep.org. See you in class.